Hi friend, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial I will be showing you how to braid heart shape. So we are not focusing on the whole hairstyle. I just want to concentrate on how to braid a heart in a simple braid design. So I start off making half of the curve and I'm just going to let you watch because I promise you from watching you will understand what I am doing. Then I will be back after the heart to continue and just explain how you can incorporate it into your hairstyle. So see you. So guys, as you can see at this point we are done with the heart shape, and ideally I was supposed to incorporate the tail of the heart, those two dangling parts, into this particular braid I will be making here. But in the course of the hairstyle, we changed our mind because she didn't want how her hair to go to the back again. So we decided to bring some to the front, and the only way I could do that was to continue from the tail of the heart shape. So if you want to make straight back kind of hairstyle, at let's say in like three braids, three hand circle, around this time you incorporate the tail of the braid from the opposite side, so the tails have to crisscross over each other to give your heart a pointed bottom, right? So you incorporate the one from the left hand side first, and then when you braid down on this braid I am doing now, you incorporate the one from the right hand side so that it will form like a cross before joining the braid. So because I will be incorporating this into the tail of the braid into the other part of the hairstyle without putting it in this is the ideal shape of hard braids you see everywhere. So since we're not going for that, you're going to see how I was still able to change the hairstyle for her, give her what she wants, and still came out with a banging hairstyle. If you like this tutorial, leave a thumbs up, don't skip the ads please, so that we can make some money and enjoy.